several severe natural disasters, causing significant human and material losses, as well as broad environmental and economic impacts. Here are some notable events. Typhoon Rai, locally known as Odette, made landfall in the southern Philippines in December 2021. It was one of the most powerful storms of the year, with winds reaching up to 200 kilometers per hour. This typhoon destroyed thousands of homes, caused severe flooding, and led to hundreds of casualties. Millions were displaced, and economic losses were estimated in the billions of dollars. In June 2022, a 6.1 magnitude earthquake struck eastern Afghanistan, near the Pakistan border. It was one of the most devastating earthquakes in the country's history, killing over 1,000 people and injuring thousands more. The earthquake caused widespread destruction in remote villages, leaving many homeless. During the 2022 monsoon season, Pakistan experienced historic flooding, affecting large swathes of the country. Over 33 million people were impacted, with at least 1,700 deaths. The floods devastated infrastructure, caused significant agricultural and property losses, with an estimated economic toll in the tens of billions of dollars. Climate change is considered a major factor in the occurrence of such extreme weather. Typhoon Noru, one of the strongest storms of 2022, struck central Vietnam in late September. With wind speeds reaching up to 150 kilometers per hour, the typhoon caused heavy rains and severe flooding, destroyed many homes, led to widespread power outages, and forced tens of thousands to evacuate. Property and infrastructure damage in central provinces was considerable. Super Cyclone Mocha, one of the most powerful storms to hit Myanmar and Bangladesh, occurred in May 2023. It caused heavy rains, flooding, and landslides, affecting millions in coastal areas and leading to hundreds of fatalities. Mocha was one of the most destructive storms in recent history for the region. These recent natural disasters have posed significant challenges to governments in the region regarding responses to extreme weather, while also raising awareness of climate change and the need for long-term disaster preparedness.